Get rid of ugly white stains from wood like a pro. White stains on wooden furniture, whether it's from a hot cup, a spilled drink or moisture buildup, can be a real eyesore. But don't worry, today Gharpedia will share some effective methods to remove those stubborn white stains and restore your furniture's elegant look. Hello and welcome to yet another amazing informative video from Gharpedia. If you're dealing with these pesky white marks on your wood, you're not alone. Many people face this issue. And the good news is that there are simple ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's know why these stains appear. White marks are typically caused by moisture or heat exposure, like when you place a hot dish or a wet glass directly on the wood. So, how do we remove these stains? Well, the first method you can try is heat. Yes, it may sound counterintuitive, but heat can help remove the stain. All you need is a hairdryer. Set it to the lowest heat setting and aim it at the white marks. Move the dryer back and forth until the marks start to disappear. Simple, right? Just keep going until the stains are gone. Another method is using an iron. But don't worry, it won't harm your furniture if done right. Place a clean cloth over the stain, then set your iron to a low heat setting, making sure it's dry. Gently press the iron over the cloth for a few seconds. Check the stain by lifting the cloth, and if the stain remains, repeat the process until the mark fades. Next up, you probably have this product right at home. Toothpaste. But not just any toothpaste. Make sure it's a non-gel white toothpaste. Apply a small amount directly to the stain and gently rub it in for about a minute. Be careful not to spread it onto unaffected areas of the wood. Once you have finished, wipe it off with a clean cloth. If the stain is still visible, you may need to try another method. Now, here's a surprising one. Mayonnaise. Yes, you heard that right. Apply a small amount of mayonnaise or petroleum jelly to the stain using a cloth. Let it sit for about an hour or even overnight for better results. Once you remove it, you'll see the stain has lightened or completely disappeared. If the previous methods didn't work, here is another option: vinegar. Mix equal parts of olive oil and vinegar and gently rub the mixture onto the stain in the direction of the wood grain. This method helps remove water rings and brightens the wood. Wipe it off with a clean cloth to reveal the results. For stubborn stains, try using extra fine steel wool. This will remove the stain without damaging the finish. Use steel wool with a bit of lemon oil or mineral oil and gently rub it in the direction of the grain. Just remember to go gently. Too much pressure can damage the wood. Another simple solution: car wax. If you have a white ring on your wooden table from a cup or glass, a little car wax can do the trick. Just apply a small amount to the stain, let it dry, and then wipe it off with a soft cloth. Finally, you can use salt to remove watermarks. Make a paste using 1 teaspoon of salt and a few drops of water. Gently rub the paste into the stain using a cloth or sponge. This method works best on minor stains and can help restore the shine to your wood. And there you have it. Several methods to remove white stains from your wood furniture and restore its original beauty. Try these simple techniques at home and let us know which one works best for you. And don't forget to give your furniture the care it deserves. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more helpful tips. Until then, take care of your wooden treasures. Do not forget to comment on and like this content. Subscribe for more home care tips.